First half is underway here. Well-timed tackle. Beautiful footwork. Carrying the ball forward. Heavy shot. It's in! Plenty of power on that. Goal! Nice block. Pushing it forward. Opening quarter of an hour complete. Teams looking to establish control. A little goal! The cross is coming in. Pushing it forward. Strikes it from distance. Building from the back. Pushing it forward. It's in! Plenty of power! There goes the ball. Knocks it towards to the front. Looking for options. Through ball. Square pass. Keeping possession nicely. Pushing it forward. Good play, one-on-one. Square pass. What a perfect... shot. They go! It's in! Plenty of power on that! In the box. That's a foul. Referee quickly at the scene of the crime. We will have some additional minutes at the end here. Heavy shot. Goal! Pushing it forward. Carrying the ball forward. Breaking free. It's in! Plenty of power on that. Trying to find the target man. Referee has blown the whistle, and we have a final score.